It's brand freaking new. Elgato came out with their very first webcam, the Facecam. It's an unboxing and first look.
Wally.
The Elgato Facecam, super promising. We're gonna get into all the specs and all of the details in this video, but a few quick highlights. First of all, it looks like Wall-E, so I love it. It has a wide angle lens, but not too wide. It should perform really well in low light, and it saves the settings to the camera, not in the software itself, so you don't have to worry about losing your settings ever again. Yay! And the kicker, the Elgato Facecam does not include two things that every other webcam on the market has. We're going to talk about what those are and whether it's a good or a bad thing for you. If you want to see the Facecam in action side by side together with another webcam, pros, cons, to help you make a better purchasing decision, then go ahead and click subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss it when we release that video. In the box, you're going to find a cute little camera. Also, you're going to find attached to it the monitor clamp with a tripod mount. You'll also find a privacy cover, aka lens cap. I'm so glad they included this, and the USB-C cable. It's full HD at 1080p and yes, 60 frames per second. It's an all-glass prime lens 24mm f2.4 with a Sony sensor, which is going to help with that low light performance. You can download the Camera Hub app to zoom in or out, set the exposure, brightness, and lots more. It has flash memory, which means when you click save in the software, your settings are saved directly to the camera so that when you reboot, turn your camera on and off, you're not going to lose those settings, unlike some other webcam software. The provided cable is USB-C going into the camera and USB-A going into your computer. So if all you have is USB-C on your computer, you will either need an adapter or a full USB-C cable, not included. So those two things that the Facecam does not include that every other webcam has, well, this is a fixed focused lens, which means no autofocus. You might be cringing right now, but I personally think it's a fantastic thing that they did this because so many other webcams constantly hunt for focus that it causes annoyance for you and the viewer. The second thing is no microphone. What? Yes, you heard me. No built-in microphone. And in the press briefing, my first thought was, yes, thank you, because you don't ever want to use a webcam microphone anyway. So you do want to invest in an external microphone to get the best audio. But what say you? Do you like that it doesn't have a microphone or autofocus? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The Facecam is available now for $199. The link is in the description. Remember, if you want to see the Elgato Facecam in action, hear all the pros and cons, and decide whether it's the right purchase for you, go ahead and dive deeper by clicking this video. I'll see you there.